Welcome back to our channel where your real estate journey is demystified. If you're looking to sell your home, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be guiding you through the basics of digital marketing and how it can get more eyes on your property listing. Digital marketing is all about online visibility. It's how you make sure potential buyers can find your home easily with just a few clicks. Think of it as like an open house that never closes, accessible to buyers anytime and anywhere. The cornerstone of digital marketing strategy is your listing. To create one that stands out, you'll need high quality photos, a compelling description, and all the essential details that buyers are looking for. Remember, a great listing is like a book cover. It should invite potential buyers in to explore more. Social media isn't just for catching up. It's a powerful tool for selling your home. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok can showcase your property in a creative way, using stunning visuals, engaging captions to generate buzz, and to direct people to your listing. SEO can sound complicated, but it's really just about making sure your listing is easily found on search engines. Using keywords that buyers are searching for, like homes for sale in insert your area, and make sure those words appear in your title and description. Now that you've caught their eye, it's time to connect. Be responsive to inquiries and use website analytics to understand your audience. Tools like Google Analytics can show how many people have viewed your listing, where they're from, and how they found you. That wraps up our crash course on digital marketing for home sellers. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications to never miss out on any of our real estate highlights. Have questions? Drop them down in the comments below. And until next time, happy selling.